Hey everybody, welcome back to One Seed, One World. Some of you might be a little bit worried about maybe some of the peppers that are growing in your garden, and if something is wrong with them. You might see like weird brown lines, striations kind of going up and down them, and wonder if they are still okay to eat. So let's talk about that a little bit, what it is and how it affects the pepper, or if it affects the pepper. So these little brown lines that you might see, like on, if I can get it in focus here. There we go. Things like that on, like this is a jalapeno. This is called corking. And corking normally happens as the plant grows and gets older. Sometimes there's a watering issue or a stress issue with the plant. Most of the time it comes from too much water all at once. This can cause your pepper to grow, the inside of it to grow really fast, faster than the outside skin of the pepper, and cause it to have like little splits and breaks in it. And so then the pepper, as it continues to grow, it's not picked right away, it will kind of heal up and cause these little striations, these little brown lines on the pepper fruit itself. Now, does this hurt the pepper? Does it make it so that it's not good to eat anymore? No, it's not. This is called corking, and it's just the plant recovering from the excess water that it was getting and healing itself so it can continue to grow. Now, how does it affect the pepper itself? Like, is this going to make it taste bad? Is it going to make it a hotter pepper? Because mainly you will see this more on hot varieties of peppers, because they tend to be smaller, and so excess water, like they've got less give than like a sweet pepper. But you might see it on like your bell peppers and other types of sweet peppers as well sometimes. It's just that it seems that more often it affects the hot pepper varieties. Now, it does not affect the flavor. It might affect your texture a little bit, because it kind of gets a little bit more woody on there. And so the texture will be a little bit more, I don't know if you'd say tough, but you would notice a little bit difference in the texture. But it's not going to affect the flavor at all of the plant or of your pepper fruit. And the next thing that kind of goes around a lot is that corking causes your hot peppers to be hotter. So there's kind of a two-way thing to this. Corking itself does nothing to the heat of the pepper. Whatever heat your pepper is going to be is what it's going to be, whether it had corking or not. However, there is a correlation, because this will happen more as the plant or as your fruit is older. The longer that it's on the vine, the more potential stress, the more water it can get, and so the fruit is going to be probably more mature. Like if you have a younger pepper, let me see if I can find one here. See, this is on the same plant, and there's one little tiny line on there, but doesn't really have anything on it. So this is a younger pepper, whereas these, because they've turned red and they've been on the plant a lot longer, then they tend to get the little striations and lines, because they've been through a lot more rainstorms and stuff like that. So as the plant gets older and the fruits on the vine get older, they will produce more capsaicin. The more mature the fruit gets, the more flavor it's going to impart, and the more capsaicin is going to form inside your pepper and cause the pepper to be hotter. At that same time, corking may have happened. So while corking doesn't affect the heat or the flavor, sometimes you will have a hotter or more flavorful pepper that has corking, just because it's a more mature fruit. But the corking itself doesn't affect the heat or the flavor. So just something to keep in mind. So you'll see a lot of times people will be like, oh yeah, this pepper's going to be way hotter because it's got the lines on it, or the corking on it. And that may be true, because it's a more mature fruit, but it's not because of the corking. So your peppers are fine. Listen, your peppers are fine. They'll still be tasty, they'll still be spicy if it's a hot variety. The lines just mean the plant got a lot of water at one time, and the inside of the pepper grew a lot faster than the outside, and so it's just recovering from that. So I hope you found that information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. But I appreciate that you're here hanging out with me again today, and we will see you again soon. Have a great day. Namaste.